Hi guys, Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about ARM caps. So what does a cap mean? It means it limits how much the rate can and will adjust if and when it starts adjusting. So let's use this example, a 5-1 ARM. 5 being the number of years that the rate's going to be fixed. So for the first 5 years of the loan, the first 60 months, the rate's set. On month 61, the rate adjusts to whatever the market's going to be. And that's where the caps come in. There's 3 numbers for caps. So I'm going to use an example, 525. So here's why I use that, because it's probably one of the most common caps combinations there are. So the 5-1, remember I said the 5-1 ARM? That 1 just means it adjusts every 12 months, every year, once a year. So it adjusts once a year when it starts adjusting. Now let's talk about the caps, 525. The first number, that 5, that's how much the interest rate can change on that very first adjustment. So on month 61, the rate could go up as much, like increase 5 points or 5%. So whatever your rate of X is, it could be X plus 5%. It doesn't mean it's going to be. It's just telling you that is the limit. So guys, your rate could in fact go down. And that same 5 is going to limit that. We're nowhere close to having rates of 18% like back in the day. But if it was, that's what the ARM would limit. So the second number, the 2 in my example, 525. So in this example, every year after that first adjustment, the most it can ever go up or down is going to be that middle number, the number 2. So in, let's say, year 7, year 8, year 9, it can go up or down more than 2% every single year. So when it adjusts, that 2 is going to stop you from going too high or too low too fast. That last 5, that last number, the third number in the caps, the 525, that's 5 is the amount that it could ever go up or down. So your interest rate can never go from X plus 5. That last number is going to limit it no matter what. So in my example, let's say the worst case scenario happened and you actually did see your rate increase 5% in the first year. Coincidentally, that's also, in this example, the max that could ever go up. So those numbers may be the same, but they're different. They're applicable at different times. That last one's a lifetime. That first one's just at that very first adjustment. It's a lot of information we know. Hopefully that makes you armed and dangerous. Those are certainly good questions to ask if you're exploring an ARM. And certainly we'll go over it with you if you call us. We look forward to potentially speaking with you, and hope you have a great day.